Hi, this is a short video to guide you how to quickly and easily disable login after sleep in Windows 11. The Windows 11 operating system from Microsoft comes with several security related features to ensure your system remains safe without anyone having unauthorized access to the computer. One such security feature is login after sleep, where if a device running the Windows 11 operating system is left unattended for a specific duration, then the computer automatically goes into the sleep mode. When the PC wakes up through any of the triggers, it requires the users to enter the login credential. This is to make sure that the user who have granted the access to the device is the one trying to access it. However, for many home users, there is no need for such a security feature and it may become annoying at times. Thankfully, the company is now offering an option for users to disable this feature on their computer. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how you can quickly and easily disable the login after sleep feature on your computer running the Windows 11 operating system. So for that, first you have to go to the Start menu, and from there you have to go to the Settings. When the Settings app opens, select the Accounts option from the left sidebar. This is the one. Just click on that Account section, and on the Account Settings page, click on the Sign In option settings. You can see it here. Just drag it down. Sign In options. Just click on that. Now from here, just scroll down and go to the Additional Settings. And in Additional Settings, click on the drop down next to the option if you have been away. This one. Now you can see that in my case you are not getting the drop down is because I have set Windows Hello. That means this particular laptop is having the fingerprint recognition and I have enabled that. You can see if you go upwards, you can see that the ways to sign in. You can see that the fingerprint recognition Windows Hello is enabled. You can see it here. You have to remove the Windows Hello. You will get Never option in this drop down and you have to select that Never option. That's it. Once you have successfully followed the above mentioned steps, the Windows 11 powered computer will no longer ask for your login credentials when the computer wakes up from the sleep. So that's it. This is a short video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.